Mr. Scotty.
Good morning, guys. So, if you guys take a quickie peek.
Quickie peek.
No switches.
Sneaky links.
No switches. No switches.
Nice.
No switches.
Yeah, baby.
So, the guy that rebuilt, or is in the process of rebuilding the driver's side one, which we already shipped out a while back, he's finally able to get to it. I talked to John and let him know, hey, we should probably get the rest of the switches done. We got everything else working. Me and Xander spent quite a few hours patching and repairing and fixing all the wiring spaghetti mess on this thing. For the windows. So they all work. Even the power vent works on this one. So he's got a contact that thinks he may have all of the power vent assembly for the driver's side, which then that means all the windows were working like they're supposed to. So we'll ship these out now. I'm actually going to the post office in just a minute or so. Ship them
You're
out.
looking at your watch, it's not there?
Yeah.
Oh, speaking of watches,
I'm so used to...
I brought mine so you can fix the pin.
Yep, not a problem. So I'm like, okay, we'll get that done, get these shipped out.
It's on my desk.
And then we're going to ship out the headlight switch and the dimmer switch and get that taken care of because it rebuilds all of them. So we will have every switch fixed, but that's a very time-consuming job to pull out.
And you don't usually pull out, so...
This is true, I don't. That's why I've got kids.
Jesus.
But I'm pumped.
And with that, we bid you adieu.